Want to be Barbie at 24? Tara, let's go foodies. Isang gandang umaga. Let's go sa Cove, Manila at Okada sa kanilang beach club vacation. Meron silang one-day beach vacation which will run from April 27 to June 2. So, i-avail nyo na. That's only 1,200 from 9 to 3. And for the sunset, it's 1,600 included na yung meal. Well, aside sa meal, kasama na rin yung towel and ang dami nilang performers. So, kung nasa metro kayo, try nyo to. Pagpasok nyo, a-assist agad nila kayo. Basta pakita nyo yung bracelet tags. And this is their water station. So, sobrang dami ng ice. You can refill as much as you want. Dito naman yung kanilang shower and changing room. So, konting silip lang. Naka-Barbie team sila until June 2. So, you can take as much picture. Yung pinili ko yung mga boxes lang. Pero meron pa silang mga playhouses and also yung car. So, check nyo. Ito yung vibe sa loob. So, kung ayaw mo pang mabasa, mag-lounge ka lang. Tulog ka lang dyan. So, this one naman is the meal inclusion. So, meron silang 3 meat. Pili ka ng isa. So, ayan na yung kasama yung dessert and yung juice. Napakadami din nilang performers. May fire exhibition, may live band, and then may iba pang mga sumasayaw. So, hindi ka nalugi. I hope nag-enjoy kayo. At syempre, kung na-explore natin yung Cove Manila, explore din natin yung kabila, yung Coral Wing Pool. Tara! Tara, let's go foodies! Isang gandang araw, let's go come and swim with me sa Okada! This is the view at ito yung napili kong lounge area. For the tambay lang ang person until sunset. Disney Princess yan. Princess Aurora, Sleeping Beauty. So cute. At dito yung kanilang shower and changing area. Tara, nood tayo ng sunset. That would be all. I hope nag-enjoy kayo. Cha-cha!